Let's look into the difference between distance and displacement and understand what is distance and displacement. To help us with this, we'll be making use of a small experiment. So please have a look at this. So what is that we looked at? We had an object, the object being this. It started from over here, so that is our origin reference point or the start point, whatever you guys want to call it as. Actually, it need not be the origin, but I'm taking that as the origin. Start point. Next, it happened to travel along this path. Okay, to ending up over here. So that is your end point. So this is the shortest path from the start to the end point. So now to define distance, the actual path, the total distance along the actual path is your distance, the length of the actual path. The length of the actual path is your distance, while the shortest path is your displacement. So this is the difference, that's it. So as a definition, we have displacement as the shortest distance measured from the initial to the final position of an object, while distance is total path traveled by the object. Quite simple, right? That's your first difference. The second difference between distance and displacement is distance is a vector quantity while displacement is a vector quantity while distance is a scalar quantity. If I tell the object moved 10 meters, 10 is a lot, 100 centimeters, it is purely distance. If I combine this information, right, in northeastern direction, so here if I take this as north south, east west, so it moved in a northeastern direction. So 100 centimeter in northeastern direction, this is with magnitude and direction. So this is a vector quantity and this is your displacement. Okay, so displacement is a vector quantity while distance is a scalar quantity. The third difference is this: displacement can be 0, negative and positive. All of this is possible, while distance is either 0 if not positive. Actually, one more difference, displacement can vary. It can become 0 from a positive value to back to 0, while distance cannot reduce. Distance does not reduce, while displacement can. That's your fourth difference. This we'll understand better with a lot of numericals. Okay, so don't worry about this particular statement, you will be understanding this. So I hope you guys understood the idea of a distance and a displacement. So distance is how an actual thing moves, Displacement is the distance from the starting point to the ending point. If you take a straight line, so joining the starting point to the ending point, that is your displacement.